Mastering conversations and German shopping in a departmental store. Hello everyone, welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In the previous lessons, we covered the usage of verbs and their various forms. In this lesson, we will delve into the art of having a conversation in German, specifically when buying clothes in a departmental store. Preparing for the lesson. Before we dive into the useful phrases, make sure you've watched the prerequisite video on clothing vocabulary, which can be found in the description below. To practice what you learn, a free worksheet is available on our Patreon page at link. Navigating the departmental store. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with some important words related to a departmental store. Each store has various departments, such as menswear, baby section, and more. Kaufhaus Departmental Store, das Kaufhaus. Department, die Abteilung. Essential phrases for conversations. Now, let's explore some key phrases that will help you initiate and engage in a conversation in a departmental store. Initiating a conversation. Guten Tag, kann ich Ihnen helfen? Good day, can I help you? Customer's response. Ich suche eine Hose für meinen Vater. I'm looking for pants for my father. Ich brauche einen Pullover für meinen Freund. I need a sweater for my friend. Exploring options. Nennen Sie mir dies hier zeigen. Can you show me these? Wie es mit diesem? What about this one? Trying on clothes. Kann ich die Hose anprobieren? Can I try on the pants? Passt sie gut? Does it fit well? Concluding the conversation. Gut, ich nehme sie, good. I'll take it. Dank, auf Wiedersehen. Thank you, goodbye. Handling different situations. In a scenario where the customer is not satisfied with the options presented, the conversation can be steered in a different direction. Ich mag das nicht. Haben Sie etwas anderes? I don't like this. Do you have something else? Mastering conversations in a departmental store is essential for those moments when online shopping isn't enough. Practice these phrases, and soon you'll navigate a German store like a pro. Dank for watching, and auf Wiedersehen.